Welcome to the Visibility Boost, the show where we dive into the best strategies for small business owners to increase their online visibility and boost sales. I'm Gwyneth, your host and an SEO and Google Ads expert with over 12 years of experience helping business owners like you succeed. Each week, I'll share actionable tips and insights to help you navigate the crowded online space. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a review on your favorite podcast platform. Let's get started. Today we are talking about title tags and meta descriptions. These are two of the most important on-site elements that I think you need for better rankings. So let's get into it. The first thing we're going to talk about is title tags. This can be called SEO title, SEO description, title tag. So many different platforms call it different things. Ultimately, it's the title tag, and it will show in the browser tab of the page, and it is the blue colored phrase that appears in a search result. So that's what it is and where it appears. Now, you only get 50 to 60 characters for each title tag, and each page should have a different title tag. You want to make sure that you are creating a title tag that has the keywords that you want to rank for that page. Using as much of those characters as possible, understanding that Google most likely will not show anything past 60 characters, and if it's too long, they may create their own title tag. So really try to stay within that boundary. Now, what doesn't need to be in title tags? And I know I'm going to get pushback here. You do not need your name or your business name within the title tag. Let me tell you why. If people know you, they are going to find you. We don't need to tell Google who you are. They already know. And if somebody knows you and is searching for your business name or your name, you are going to show up. The title tags are for people who don't know you yet. These are for the new people who could be your ideal client. They just haven't been able to find you, but they are looking for the products and services that you sell. If you are a local business, you need to make sure to have that local place within the title tag. So if you are a dentist in Knoxville, Tennessee, your title tag might be Dentist Knoxville, then a pipe, and then maybe cosmetic dentistry Knoxville, or whatever your specialties are. That's how you want to make your title tags. And like I said, every single page needs to have a different title tag on it. Multiple pages with the same title tag just start to confuse Google, and that is the last thing that we want. The next thing we're talking about is meta description. And meta description is the wording that appears under the title tag on a search results page. Now, kicker is that a meta description isn't actually a ranking factor. But what is a ranking factor is that people click on your site, come to your site, stay on your site, see multiple pages, spend over 10 seconds, click, etc. So that meta description is used to entice people to click on the page that is being shown. And you want to make sure you're including the key phrases from your title tag and your meta description, because if they are similar to what the person searched, and that's ultimately what Google's showing, Google will bold those keywords. And so the more they can see the keywords that they've typed in within your meta description, the better. For meta descriptions, you get 150 to 160 characters. Again, we want to try to stay within this boundary, because what we don't want to do is have Google just showing something randomly from the page as the meta description. And if you leave the meta description blank, Google most likely will do that. And it honestly may not be anything related at all to that page, and may be why people are not clicking on your link when they see it in the search results. Also, meta descriptions are like title tags in that each one should be unique to the page. Now, here's the thing. Every page doesn't necessarily need to be optimized on your website. You want to make sure you're optimizing your home page, your about page, your services pages, your blog posts. If you sell products, you do want to optimize your product pages, but you don't need to worry about things like your privacy policy, your contact page, your cart, your checkout. Like those, you really can kind of ignore or go with the default. You want to optimize pages that you want people to find in search results so that Google will know, hey, this page is about this, we're going to show it. So again, title tags, you get 50 to 60 characters. Meta descriptions, you get 150 to 60. Now, best way to figure out how to do this in your system is to go to Google and Google, where do I enter title tag in XYZ platform? Because doing it in WordPress is different than Squarespace, is different than Wix, is different than Weebly. But I will tell you, there is a place to do this in every single platform. So next time you have 30 minutes to an hour, sit down, see how many pages you can get done. Even if you only manage to do 5 pages a month with just title tags and meta descriptions, that can make a huge difference in your search engine results and ranking higher and getting more organic traffic to your website. That's it for today's episode of the Visibility Boost. If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to subscribe and leave a review. Are you ready to get your business visible online? Join the Visibility Hive with monthly actionable trainings to boost your online presence through organic, paid, and social strategies. Visit the link in the show notes to learn more and sign up. Thanks for tuning in.